Hi, and welcome to Biology 108, Drugs in the Body. I wanted to go ahead and give you an idea of the course layout. So this is what you'll see whenever you log in to eCampus. So you'll see all your courses, and we'll click on our Biology 108. And I'll click on Student View just to make sure we're seeing the same things. Whenever you land on the course homepage, I want to point out my announcements will be over here on the right. I post weekly announcements to try to keep you on track for the semester. Those also get emailed to you, but they'll pop up right there. So make sure to pay attention to those. And for the first week, we have two places to start. Of course, start here that you'll see over here on the left, and then you'll see all the information divided into weeks. This is to try to help you stay organized, to know where you're at and where you should be going depending on which week we are in. So if we click on Start Here, you'll see a welcome from me, and I'm Vicki Huffman. I've been teaching at Potomac State for a while now. This is one of my favorite courses because it's a course that I designed based on my background and just I think the need for more people to understand not only addictive drugs, but just how drugs alter our body in general. So you can learn more about me there. Of course, the syllabus, very important. Make sure you download that and keep it kind of handy. Again, I do post announcements, but if you have questions, most things can be found or accessed in that syllabus. You will need Respondus Lockdown Browser for all of the tests that you'll be taking. That records you while you're taking it, and it also, is an attempt to keep anybody from cheating, keep everybody honest. So you'll need to download that if you don't have it, and then you'll need to do a couple things here by the end of the week. One, introduce yourself using the introduction discussion here. Just tell us a little bit about yourself, and then make sure that you respond to at least 2 classmates. This will be a typical thing that we do each week where you'll have a discussion and need to reply. And then also the syllabus quiz, and you'll see it says there, it requires Lockdown Browser. Now it is open notes. You can use the syllabus to answer the questions. It's not timed. It's simply there, 1, to encourage you to look at the syllabus, but 2, to get you used to using the browser. How that works if you haven't used it, you'll need to open that browser to log into eCampus or to access the course. If you try to use like Google Chrome or Safari, Internet Explorer, and you click on syllabus quiz, it's going to tell you that you don't have, or that you need a password. Okay, if you open it up in Lockdown Browser, it doesn't ask for a password. So that's how you'll just make sure you're in the right spot. So again, use that browser, log into eCampus. When you click on the syllabus quiz or any of the tests, you'll be able to access them. All right, so then if we scroll up, week 1 is here. So again, the syllabus quiz, the discussion, but then also starting into the first chapter. So in the first chapter, just kind of an introductory into drugs, what they mean, some of the terminology that goes along with that. So for the whole week, again, a few things due. Again, that introduction discussion, the syllabus quiz, but then also assignment 1 and discussion 2 that go along with the reading assignment. So again, you'll want to read through chapter 1. There's a PowerPoint for each chapter. There's a recorded lecture for each chapter. And then each chapter has an assignment and a discussion that goes along with it. So if we scroll down here, you'll also see the study guide. So you can download that, kind of fill it in as you go. You can make note cards along the way or make outlines just to kind of keep up with it. So you're not trying to study all of it at one time right before the test. It just makes it a little bit more manageable. Again, the PowerPoint is attached here, as well as the link to the recorded lecture. And then the assignments have about 5 or so questions that you'll either submit in a Word document, or you can just type them in to the submission link there. And then again, that discussion, you'll post your discussion, and then you need to reply to at least 2 other students And in those replies, you don't want to just say, oh, that was a good post, or I agree. You want to show that you have thought about what they have said, you've read what they said. So you want to compare, kind of contrast your answers. You know, if they did make a mistake or you kind of are sure they posted something wrong, you know, just respectfully point that out. But you're not grading somebody else's. Again, you're just, it's a discussion. Like if we were in class and we're talking about something, you're adding in how your thoughts kind of mix with other students, just giving you that student-student kind of connection. So again, each week is divided there. You'll see down here, you can click on your grades. There are different tools or resources that are available. My number one thing is if you have a question, please reach out. I am on campus. If you happen to be on the Potomac State campus, you can stop by my office, or if not, or even if you are and you'd rather meet by Zoom or just give me a call, I'm available to help in as many different ways as I can think of, but I just need you to ask and let me know that you're having an issue. All right, I hope you guys have a great semester. I hope you love this class as much as I do, and learn a lot about how drugs affect your body.